So recently on the channel, we installed our Prusa MMU2S on our Prusa MK3 Bear called Purple Haze. And we've been printing some MMU style prints lately. As you can see, everyone is a 3D printer. And we've been getting some pretty good 3D prints off of this. This is the Pool, and printed pretty well. We did get a few blemishes on the bottom, but that's more to me not putting supports on it when I should have. But all the colors are coming out great. There's very little bleed over, especially between white and black. And we are getting some really good prints off of it, to include a special commemorative print for Subsector 3D, who is having her birthday today on St. Patty's Day. So we'll be doing some more multi-material, multicolor 3D printing here on the channel, and we'll be posting some more videos on this in the near future. You may even see me do a couple of videos on different multi-material units in the near future. Thanks for following the channel, and we will see you later.